So you want to manage your clients in GoHighLevel. You can do that by creating sub accounts easily in GoHighLevel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do that in GoHighLevel. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel and some exclusive bonuses and the live bootcamp access. So check the link from the description and let's get back to the video. So to create a sub account in GoHighLevel, you have to be on the page. I mean the on dashboard page. Once you are in GoHighLevel by logging in, you have to switch your account to the agency view, okay? Now here you can see there is an option for the sub account. Just head over to that. Now you can see we have 3 sub account. One, this is number 2, and lastly this one. So you can create easily sub account here. You can see this button here. Just click on this, create sub account. Now GoHighLevel has some pre-built template here, like the affiliate marketing agency, auto body painting. So if you want to use them, then you can go with the select and continue according to your niche of your business. And if you want, then you can use your snapshots. So I have these two, and if you want to import any snapshot which you exported before, then you can import that. We are a marketing agency, so let's search for the marketing. Okay, so this is actually aligned with us, marketing agency, the CRM software. So I'm just going with this. So add manually. So here you have to write your name. So I just giving name the tutorial account for this video. Then write your email address here. Then write your business name. I'm also giving the tutorial account. Then you have to select the business niche here. Then you have to write your business phone number. Then write your address and city and blah blah, this kind of thing. After completing this form, you have to write your website. If you have, you can skip if you don't have. Then time zone, and here you have 2 options. One is for your client and another is for your own. So I'm going to, let's say, use for my client. So I'm just selecting this one and click on this add sub account. And our sub account is created. Okay, so this is our information of our sub account. So if I go back on sub account, you can see there is a new sub account, the tutorial account. It's created. Okay, we have created earlier. So that's it basically. This is how you can create a new sub account in GoHighLevel for yourself or for your client. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.